Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and I have to do this video. I feel like kind of betrayed, sad, angry. I don't know how to describe. Maybe I shouldn't do this video in this moment because I'm feeling things that made me pissed off. What happened is I never realized that people copy the content from another YouTube channel. You can copy the content, like the ideas, the topics, the trend, things like that. You can follow another person and try to copy what the other person did, but on your own work, in your own words. But not take, erase, remove part of my advertising on my videos, copy, cut, and make your own video with your own logo. That's not professional at all. If any of you want to use any of part of my videos, you just need to contact me. It's easy. I always answer my phone. And my phone number is right there, 407-572-4118. This is my channel. And most of the people that are in my channel know me for years and years. I have been working in the cleaning industry since 2000. And I opened YouTube channel, I think, in 2011. I have more than 1,000 videos. I don't know exactly how many videos I have. If you are new to this channel, I really apologize the way I'm talking. But it's amazing how people want to cut edges and try to steal the work from other people that work hard. Having a YouTube channel is not an easy joke. It's not a joke at all. I have been working in YouTube channel for so many years. I have been sleeping next to my laptop on my bed, trying to edit and make videos to show the service that we provide. So in case that you need any kind of my videos, you can download, you can make your own, but at least let me know, because it's a bad surprise to realize that it's people stealing your work. And I never thought about that, never. In videos, I never thought about that. I just went to this page that I'm posting right now. This is the subscriber, the Smart Jetty, and he uploaded in August 3rd, 2016 my video when I was doing the horror house, and he even put his logo, his intro. That's not possible at all. I really condemn this behavior. I already put a comment in this video saying that please, he needs to erase the video, or I'm gonna contact you to make some sanction or something, penalties. And I'm glad to see that 3 years ago, Team Jesus, he said, I don't see where you gave anyhousecleaning.com owner Fiorella and the telephone number credit for this video. If you're going to use someone else's video, the least that you should do is give credit where is the credit is due. So pay attention where you put your videos, or if someone is stealing your work, because it's not fair at all. You can know that in your main side, on your left side, on your right side you go to YouTube Studio, and in your left side you will go to says copyright. And there appear where they are gonna, who is still part of your video. I know Luis Brindan is my father, so it's alright. Post remodeling cleaning services is okay. But this guy, Smart Jetting, I don't know. This person, domestic helpers, he stole this video too. I don't know the purpose of that, but at least this person didn't cut my information. So I'm not that angry with these people. However, they use my work to get service. I want this service, it says Anita. But they don't belong the company. I don't know if I'm explaining myself. Well, take care. This is Fiorella. I'm gonna make another video in Spanish explaining better everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.